Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your favorite apps. Today, we're diving into how to find archived chats in Messenger 2025. If you've ever misplaced a conversation in the archives, you're not alone. It's a common headache, but with the updated features in Messenger for 2025, it's easier than ever to get back on track. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Messenger app updated to the latest version. This is crucial because 2025 brings some smart enhancements, like improved search functionality powered by AI. Start by opening the Messenger app on your phone or computer. Once you're in, look for the menu icon. It's usually in the top left or right corner, depending on your device. Tap on that, and you'll see a list of options. Next, scroll down or search for archived chats. In the 2025 update, Messenger has made this more prominent, so it should be right there under your chats or in the settings menu. Once you select it, you'll enter the archived section, where all your hidden conversations are stored. Now, here's a cool new feature. Use the search bar at the top to type in a contact's name or keyword from the chat. This AI-powered search will pull up results in seconds, saving you tons of time. If you're on a desktop version, the process is similar. Log into Messenger via your web browser, click on the gear icon for settings, and navigate to the Chats or Archive tab. Pro tip: if you accidentally archive a chat, you can unarchive it by long pressing the chat and selecting the option. Super straightforward. One more thing to watch out for. Sometimes, archived chats might not show up if there's a sync issue. In that case, try logging out and back in, or check your app permissions. There you have it. Finding your archived chats is now a breeze with these 2025 updates. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.